Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Windows Security and going straight to Firewall and Network Protection. This is where protection lives. Once there, make sure you're signed in with an administrator account because changing profiles requires elevation. Turn on the domain, private, and public profiles to enable core filtering and set the default inbound behavior to block. That prevents unsolicited connections. Then, click Allow an app through Firewall to quickly permit trusted software. This gives you immediate control while you prepare more specific rules. Next, open Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security for precise control. Type WF MSC or use the link in Firewall settings. You'll create inbound and outbound rules, pick program for app-specific control, port when you need to open TCP/UDP numbers, or custom to combine criteria like protocol and remote IP. Choose applicable profiles, domain, private, public, so rules apply only where needed, and set the action to allow or block. Once created, give rules clear names and descriptions so you can audit them later. Finish by testing connectivity. Use PowerShell's testnet connection or telnet to confirm ports and services respond. Once satisfied, export your firewall policy to a file so you can restore settings or apply them to other machines. Make sure Windows Firewall service is running and notifications are enabled so you see blocked attempts. If an app is still blocked, create a specific allow rule or check for conflicting third-party antivirus firewall rules. That's the key troubleshooting tip. Verify the Windows Firewall service and the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.